Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for an English paper. First, thoroughly read your assignment prompt. Pay close attention to the specific requirements, like the word count or page length, and any particular formatting styles. If anything seems unclear, don't hesitate to ask your instructor for clarification. Understanding these details from the start will save you a lot of time and effort later on, ensuring you're on the right track. Next, dive into your research. Collect all necessary sources and take careful notes, highlighting key information that supports your arguments. Once you have a good grasp of your material, formulate a strong thesis statement. This central idea will be the backbone of your paper. Then, build a detailed outline to organize your thoughts, ensuring a logical flow from introduction to conclusion. This step is crucial for a well-structured essay. Now it's time to write your first draft. Don't worry about perfection at this stage, just focus on getting all your ideas onto the page. Once you have a complete draft, step away from it for a while. A short break can give you a fresh perspective when you return. Then, begin the revision process, checking for clarity, coherence, and ensuring your arguments are well supported. Pay close attention to grammar and spelling. For the final polish, read your paper aloud. This simple trick often helps you catch awkward sentences or errors you might have missed. Double-check that all your citations are correctly formatted according to the required style, whether it's MLA, APA, or Chicago. A polished paper makes a strong impression. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Good luck with your submission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.